Hello, so this is how you get COD 4's multiplayer to work. First of all, you want to go to this link here in the description that will tell you to download iw3mp.exe. You just, you want to click this blue download button, and it'll pop up here. And then when you do that, you want to go to files. But you'll notice that Call of Duty 4 doesn't want to work at all. So you just want to go into your Steam apps, no, rename it, and then common, COD 4, right there. And then, okay. Well, this is here because I have COD 4X, and yeah, so there will be a file right here named iw3mp. You want to delete that, and you want to take this and drag it onto this to replace that file. I have a lot more extra stuff because I have modded Call of Duty, which is a little bit different. But yeah, that's basically how you fix COD 4's multiplayer. Yeah. Also, happy New Year. I'm 4 days late, but you know, it's fine.